The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander made its world debut to showcase the newest and best addition to Toyota's well-liked SUV lineup, just hours before the 2023 Chicago Auto Show got underway. The Grand Highlander Hybrid caters to the changing requirements of active families by combining comfort and luxury. The name Grand comes from the enormous size, enormous storage capacity, and cutting-edge technology that set the opulent three-row SUV apart from other models of its kind. The dependable TNGA-K platform, known for its exceptional structural rigidity, serves as the foundation for the Grand Highlander. The Grand Highlander's design concepts were delivered by Calty Design Studio, a Toyota Motor Corporation subsidiary that operates in North America. The majority of contemporary Toyota and Lexus models share the same platform as this substantial SUV. The newest Grand Highlander from Toyota will undoubtedly upend the market for large three-row SUVs and offer a convincing substitute for models like the Hyundai Palisade, Chevrolet Traverse, Honda Pilot, Volkswagen Atlas, Subaru Ascent, Mazda CX-9, and Kia Telluride. Modern families on the go have a variety of needs, and the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid is built to meet those demands. All occupants can keep necessities close at hand thanks to its thoughtful storage compartments. A wireless charger, 2 USB ports, and 3 cup holders, one of which can safely hold a large water bottle, are all included in the configurable center console, in addition to space for a tablet. Along with additional USB ports, trays for easy charging, and a pocket for a small bag on the passenger side of the dashboard, passengers also receive their fair share of amenities. The Grand Highlander Hybrid makes the ideal travel companion for large families. Both the second and third rows are versatile. Second-row passengers benefit from conveniently located cup holders, USB ports, and air conditioning controls. Extra benefits, a smartphone storage slit, and a multi-purpose tray on the rear console are included with the captain's seat configuration. Individual USB outlets, storage for smartphones and tablets, and cup and bottle holders on the deck side are all provided for third-row passengers, who are frequently forgotten in many vehicles. Behind the third row, there is space for 7 carry-on suitcases. Likewise, there is an additional 98 cubic feet of space available when the seats are folded down. The Grand Highlander Hybrid, which takes its cue from the iconic Highlander design, exudes a completely new air of sophistication thanks to its trapezoidal, hammerhead front grille and optional 20-inch wheels. When viewed from the road, the body-colored rear pillars convey strength and utility for the third row. Black rockers give the vehicle an off-road, raised SUV appearance, enhancing its adaptability. The side surface provides a sleek yet dynamic appearance that commands attention wherever it roams. It flows smoothly from the doors through the fenders to the front and rear tires. The interior truly makes a lasting impression, regardless of how the exterior exudes style. The softly padded instrument panel, which appears to float above the available wood effect ornamentation, creates an air of sophisticated luxury as soon as you step inside. The practical tray shape adds a touch of functionality without sacrificing style. It is seamlessly integrated between the panel and door trim. A strong console in the middle radiates the elegance of a finely crafted sofa, adding to the feel of a cozy living room-like setting. The experience is first-rate for the driver and the passengers. An expansive and open space is produced by the upper form of the instrument panel extending into the door trim. Independent armrests on the driver and passenger sides add to the comfort and make it possible to use the console with the lid open. The interior is elevated by ornamental accents that resemble contemporary works of art carved from solid wood. The Hybrid Max variant's exclusive bronze-colored accents and high-quality leather stitching add a touch of exclusivity and sophistication. No matter where they are seated, every passenger will have a comfortable and enjoyable ride thanks to the spacious, adult-sized third row. The third row of seats provides elevated seating with adequate headroom for its occupants. They can therefore see over the shoulders of those in the middle row. This provides some comfort that is uncommon in three-row SUVs today. Now let's focus on the engine. A 2.5-litre four-cylinder hybrid system that combines an internal combustion engine with electric motors powers the Grand Highlander. The hybrid system reduces emissions while maximizing fuel efficiency. The Hybrid Max powertrain, however, is what really steals the show. The Grand Highlander Hybrid is now the most powerful mid-SUV that Toyota has ever produced, setting new standards for performance and power. The Hybrid Max unleashes thrilling acceleration and a thrilling driving experience with its impressive 362 horsepower and substantial 400 pound-feet of torque. With its assured power delivery and nimble handling, the Hybrid Max excels when negotiating highway merges or navigating difficult terrain. Three driving modes, Sport, Eco, and Normal, can be switched between by drivers without any noticeable lag. The Hybrid Max goes above and beyond for off-road enthusiasts with Multi-Terrain Select, featuring three modes: mud and sand, rock and dirt, and snow. Drivers can customize their driving experience using these options. The Hybrid Max's impressive 0 to 60 time of just 6.3 seconds further demonstrates its prowess, providing exhilarating acceleration that leaves a lasting impression. Additionally, this model has a remarkable 5,000 pound towing capacity, which makes it the perfect option for hauling boats, trailers, or other recreational equipment. It comes fully equipped for adventurers. And like many other Toyota vehicles, you should expect high-end technology in this one as well. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid uses cutting-edge technology to take driving enjoyment to new heights. There are additional noteworthy features, such as Connected Service Drive Connect, which gives access to intelligent assistant, cloud navigation, and destination assist, in addition to the 12.3-inch multimedia system that serves as the entertainment command center. Drivers can use a voice-activated intelligent assistant to search for directions, locate points of interest POI, change the audio settings, and even adjust the cabin temperature, all without taking their hands off the wheel. The Grand Highlander Hybrid offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and dual Bluetooth phone connectivity to keep you connected. The car might even transform into an AT&T hotspot that provides 4G connectivity to up to 5 devices with a free Wi-Fi Connect 1-month trial. Every passenger will be able to stay entertained, connected, and productive while traveling thanks to this feature. The 11-speaker JBL premium audio system, which is available and turns the cabin into a mobile concert hall, will delight music lovers. Clarify technology has advanced the sound system, providing audiophiles with a premium audio experience that leaves them content. Are you hyped up about the release of this brand new Toyota car? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.